Recently, Facebook launched Facebook Shops, which means small businesses can now create a free online store and sell their products directly through Facebook. Hey guys, Stewart here. Thanks for joining me. Today, I want to share with you a feature called Facebook Shops that Facebook recently launched for small businesses. Facebook Shops allows your small business to create a free online storefront that allows your customers to buy from your business directly through Facebook without even having to leave Facebook. Now, currently, this feature is only available for the US and a select few. However, Facebook is pushing to roll out this feature worldwide as soon as possible. Alright, before we dive deeper into Facebook Shops, and if you get value from this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you're new here today, consider subscribing to stay updated with new and actionable videos designed to help your small business thrive online. Alright, that said, let's discuss Facebook Shops and what this means for small businesses. Okay, now to access Facebook Shops and create your own online storefront, just head over to your Facebook business page. If you don't already have one, I will put a link up above which will take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Facebook business page. Now, once you're on your Facebook business page, head over to the left-hand side and click on Shop. Here you will see the summary of setting up Facebook Shops for your business, and then click Go to Commerce Manager. If you see this notice, then Facebook Shops is unfortunately currently not available for your region. Now, what I will do is create a Facebook Shops tutorial as soon as this feature is available in my country, New Zealand. And what I'll do is I'll pop it up in the corner here when I have created that tutorial. Now, with that said, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that tutorial. Okay, this feature, Facebook Shops, is going to be a game changer for small businesses and highly beneficial. It's great that Facebook has decided to roll out this feature early due to the global pandemic. Now, there are some important considerations and features I want to highlight in regards to Facebook Shops for small business. Firstly, you do not need a website or an existing online store to use Facebook Shops, because with Facebook Shops, the entire customer journey is on Facebook. Everything. For example, if a customer purchases a product from your business, that is done on Facebook. They don't ever leave Facebook. The entire transaction is completed through Facebook. Also, it's important to note that Facebook will only charge a small fee per transaction. However, it is free to create an online store with Facebook Shops. This is because Facebook will receive the majority of their income through paid ads, which will inevitably increase when businesses start using Facebook Shops. Another great thing to point out is Facebook Shops is fast and responsive, which results in a better user experience and will ultimately increase your conversion rates. Rather than customers navigating through many website links and slow website pages, everything will be done on Facebook. The customer will never leave Facebook to complete each transaction. Also, Facebook is partnering with Shopify and many other important apps to streamline the integrations with your store. And once your shop is set up, your shop will then be accessible across both Instagram and Facebook, and soon it will be integrated with WhatsApp, Messenger, and other apps. And many more features will continue to roll out over the coming months with augmented reality, which means customers can try products before they buy, and other cool features. Essentially, Facebook Shops will allow small businesses to create a full end-to-end customer experience. This feature might even disrupt the need for our website because now everything can be done through Facebook. Time will tell. And that is all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about Facebook Shops down below. And with that said, thank you for watching. If you got value from today's video, then please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video. Take care.